United Healthcare stock jumped over 14% on August 15. Why? How high can it go? Buy, hold or sell? After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know my strategy to trade United Healthcare stock. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? And this United Healthcare stock jump, this is pretty big jump because Warren Buffett announced that he bought United Healthcare stock. Usually they have quarterly filing, so lots of investors are interested in Warren Buffett buying and selling stock. Okay, so by the time you know the news, it may already be late. Right, Warren Buffett already have bought stock at a lower price, or it could be higher. But usually after he bought the stock, right, the stock tend to go up a little bit. Then after that, it dipped a little bit. So that's what happens right here. It dipped a little bit. The past 1 month, 5 days, usually it jumped. Then after that, it dropped, dipped, it came back again. So 1 month is up over 6.39%, but year to date it stayed down, around 40%. So 5 years, look at this. So lots of people say, oh, I wish I could get United Healthcare stock at $300, right? Because when they see the price $600, oh, if I could get it at half the price, I would buy. But when it really happens, $250, $237, most people don't dare to touch. That's very normal. That's a psychology. So United Healthcare, why did it jump? It's because Warren Buffett bought it. So we're gonna look at Warren Buffett portfolio and see how significant it is. And should we buy and hold or sell, right? So United Healthcare has a history of going up, right? Beating all-time high. It has a history. United Healthcare is gonna reverse the course and hit 600 again. This may be a good time to get in. This is not a financial advice. That's what I'm thinking, right? It used to be $56 on 2007 December. Then after that, it dropped to 21. See, 2008, more than 50%. Look at this. So it dropped more than 50% before, right? A few times. So now it dropped again. Now this drop is more obvious because the price is so high, right? $600 to $300 drop. Very normal, nothing to worry about in my opinion, because this is one of the largest insurance company in the US. And Medicare costs may be high, but they are planning to raise their premium next year. So once they raise their premium, their profit margin is going to come back. Their profitability is going to come back. The stock price is going to go up. So it could take about a year or longer. So regarding DOJ fraud accusation, you know what? It could happen. There's no proof yet. Even if there is a proof, right? They're gonna fine United Health. United Health gonna pay the fine. Then they're gonna move on with their business. Very normal. If that happens to Wells Fargo, the same way. Wells Fargo stock recover after they pay the fine. So let's look at Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, United Health is only less than 1%, 0.61%. So that's nothing. Even Constellation Brands is bigger. So he bought almost at the same time. So compared to, look at it, Visa is more than 1%. Look at it, Kraft Heinz 3%, 8.41 billion. Bank of America 28.64%, 64 billion, 11%. Apple 22.31%. Look at this, 57 billion. Apple, American Express, second biggest, 48.36 billion. Look at this. So United Healthcare is like, if you have 10,000, you are spending only $1, right? So people think, oh, well, Buffett is spending so much billions of dollars on United Healthcare, so this company must be buy. So we must buy. Not necessarily. It's just a drop in the bucket for him. Okay. So let's look at Constellation Brand. Constellation Brand, the past 5 years down 8.01%. So Warren Buffett must have bought United Healthcare because it's undervalued and they pay dividend 2.91%. It's one of the biggest health insurance monopolies in the US. Constellation Brands, he probably think the same way. Hey, this is drop. They pay dividend. Like the past 5 years, it's like you are going back to the past 5 years, and you are buying the stock, right? And this is a BR and Y, so this could be like a monopoly. So this could recover. That's what he could be thinking. But in my opinion, United Healthcare is a better company than Constellation Brand. So I would rather own United Healthcare than Constellation. So but Warren Buffett buy more Constellation than United Healthcare. So you don't have to do the same way. I never bought Constellation Brands. I may add United Healthcare to my portfolio. And if you look at it, Warren Buffett has a track record. Okay, he bought RWDs in Q2 2024, and he sold it right away, over 95% in Q3. So initially he thought it was undervalued. Then after that he saw the RWD growing competitions, sales decrease. So probably hey, you know what? This is because of decline in sales and market share. I'm not going to buy anymore. So that's why Warren Buffett existed. So what happened after he bought it? After he sold it, what happened? So Q2 will be April, May, June. So in 2024, April, hey, he must have bought around $400. Okay, after that it dropped it. April, May, June. Let's say the average price is $390. Okay, then he sold it in second quarter, which is July, August, September. Okay, July $390. Then after that he dropped. Then he sold probably at a loss. Okay, then it dropped. Okay, dropped. This a little bit bump is one he announced that he bought order. So probably 380, 390. Then he bought it. Then he announced it that it jumped. That it dipped a little bit. Then after he sold it, maybe it dipped a little bit. Now look at the price, 520. Okay, so let's say he bought it at 390. So now right now it's 520. So how much did he lose out? 33%. 33% return. He lose out. If he had onto RWD, his portfolio would have been jumped by 33%. His portfolio of RWD stock, okay, 33%. So that's why I said you don't need to follow Warren Buffett, okay? Yeah, after he bought it, the stock tend to go a little bit, but after that, it also had a track record going down. So United Healthcare, the same way, it jumped after Warren Buffett announced. Look at this. Then after that, it dipped a little bit. Then it came back a little bit. Then it may go back down again. Okay, and it ultimately, after 1 year, hey, those people who wish that they bought at 300, hey, I wish I had bought United Healthcare 300. I'm sure that they're gonna be telling that a year from now. Okay, that at the time United Healthcare may be $500 or $600 back to their previous price. So okay, so that's what I think. It's not a financial advice. So how do I trade? How high can it go? Okay, in my opinion, it could go back up to 600 or more. And buy, hold, or sell. If I don't have it, I will add. Right now, I could DCA for the next few months, whatever. Would I sell? No. If I have it now, would I sell? No. I would just DCA. Dividend pays is 2.91. That's pretty good. So how do I trade United Healthcare? I bought call option on August 5th. It was only 6.9, 6.45, 645. One call option represents 100 shares, so you need multiply with 100. So 645, you don't need to have lots of money. Okay, if you have 645, you could have bought on August 5th, just like I did. Then within 10 days, it jumped over 551%. So 6.5 times original money, 6.5 times. Okay. Wow, so basically that's a pretty good return. So that's a call option. So there are three ways to trade United Healthcare stock. Buy the stock, trade options or sell option, advanced option. Okay, so I will do all three of those, and because I believe that it could go back up to 600 easily. So what do you think? Do you own United Healthcare stock? Comment down below. If you want to learn more, you can go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto channel. Go to my playlist, learn about stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced option, and gold and other investment opportunity. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.